So let's look how we can play back scenarios and how we can adjust the look and feel of this in CTGi. We go into facilitator mode and we pick CTGi Demo 1. Now I'm on the student screen, I'm going to pick monitor mode and pick my facilitator. So let's press play. And I'm going to tap on the NIBP button here to give us the blood pressure as well. You can hear that fetal heart rate, and as we've seen before, you can adjust the speed of that by adjusting the between 2 and 20 times. Of course we lose the sound, so we'll go back to 1 times to play that sound again. And we can move the orange marker along the trace, and we can see that trace appear on the screen. But it's running at a certain speed with a certain grid behind it, so let's see if we can adjust that. We're going to go Menu, Exit, and now we're going to go into the settings. And in settings there's a number of things you can do. There's a scenario library, which shows all the scenarios we've created. There's an annotation library, which is useful for the notes. We also have investigation parameter libraries to create all the investigations and change them into templates to use. But what we're going to look at now is general settings. And in this you can really start to configure the CTGi trace to be what you want. We can change a lot of the different colours that are present. So we can just tap on that there and change it to a colour that we want. We'll just go back to default value for now. The measuring option can be changed into centigrade and Fahrenheit. And we can also choose the background colour of the annotation. In terms of drawing, we can alter the speed. It's defaultly set at 1 centimetre a minute, but we can have 2 centimetres and 3 centimetres a minute. We can also redraw drawn data on change. This gets very interesting because then you can start to change what you're doing in real time. The paper appearance can either be a grid, green, or red. I'm going to pick green. And we're going to put on a maternal heart rate line as well. We can also animate the NIBP. There is an option to connect with Bluetooth, but we always recommend wireless. So let's look at what these changes will do. We'll go back, facilitator, let's pick on CTGi Demo 1 again, and we can immediately see that the grid behind has now changed, and also we can see that the trace has changed as well, because we're now running at 3 centimetres a minute. So let's play that. And you can see on the student screen that trace has changed. Let's drag it along so we can see a longer representation of it, and you can see the shapes have all changed. They've elongated because of 3 centimetres per minute, and you can also see that the maternal heart rate has been drawn on the trace also. So you can really adjust the paper sort of look and feel of CTGi according to your local use.